Good evening, good evening. Come on in here. I am Karen with a cooking crush. Today I am going to prepare this delicious pasta dish for you. It is called zucchini pomodoro penne bake. The ingredients will include a yellow onion, a Roma tomato. This is zucchini, which I have already peeled. Red pepper. We'll have some Italian dressing, marinara sauce, ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, and penne pasta. Okay, I am going to go ahead and chop up the vegetables, and I will be right back with you. Alright, I'm back with you, and I have prepped the ingredients, and we have here ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, red chili pepper, Italian seasoning, marinara sauce, zucchini grated, Roma tomatoes, diced onions, and over here I am boiling the water. I added a dash of salt to that to help it to start boiling, and I will add the penne pasta, and then we'll continue forward. While the pasta water is heating up, I'm going to add a drizzle of olive oil. Heat this up. The water is boiling, and I am going to add the penne pasta to the water and cook that al dente. Stir it up here. Meanwhile, over here we have the olive oil warming up. We'll turn the fire down so we can saute the onions. We're going to add the marinara. We're going to add 1/4 cup of water. We're going to stir it up real good. And let that cook for a little bit. Okay, now we're going to add together the ricotta cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. We're going to add a drizzle of salt, a drizzle of pepper, I'm sorry about that. We will mix this up and add a drizzle of olive oil to that, just a little bit to smooth the consistency. We'll mix it all up. We have it mixed up. Then we'll go over here and we'll get the pasta. We'll drain the pasta. We're going to add the drained pasta to the marinara sauce. It smells delicious. We're going to stir this up real good. Continue to stir the pasta real good. Mix it all up. It looks delicious. I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter to that. Let that melt in there. Now we transfer half of the pasta into a baking dish. Sorry. Stir that up. I'm going to put half of the ricotta cheese, a dollop here, a dollop there, a dollop there, a dollop there. Then we're going to spread the cheese over the dish like that there. Then we're going to add the remaining pasta top. There.